Hi guys, Hussein from laptoprepair.sydney and laptopLCDscreen.com.au. Today we're doing a repair, replacing a screen on a Folio 9480M. That's a HP laptop. Always start by switching off the laptop and removing the battery to avoid any damage to the screen or to the motherboard. Model of the laptop showing on the screen. This specific laptop has no screws holding the bezel in place, the LCD bezel. It's just held by adhesive and clips. So usually it's a bit harder to remove due to the adhesive. So just get your hands close to each other and peel it in one place. Once you peel it in one place, it's easy to get from all other places. And because the bezel is quite thin, just leave your or keep your hands close to each other. One hand is holding the bezel, the other hand is peeling it off the back cover. It is a bit harder to remove when it comes to the hinge covers. Around the hinge covers, you just have to do a bit more effort. Adhesive, as you can see, at the back. So just remove any excess adhesive and we'll get it replaced later on. Remove the screws, 4 screws for the screens. Tilt the screen forward. LCD cable held by a very strong adhesive, very strong sticky tape. So careful when you remove it. The new screen. When you plug in the LCD cable, just make sure it's aligned well. LCD cable is easily damaged, so you want to try to avoid that. It will create quite a big job if it does get damaged. Just put the screen back in place. Don't screw the screen in at this stage. Wait until you test it, you make sure everything's working fine, and then you screw it back in place. Lights up. There you go. Screen working fine. So what we'll do now is just remove the screen protector and then screw it back in place. You do have to align the screen so the screw holes align with the rivets in the back cover. We just reapply the adhesive where I removed the excess bit. We use TISA adhesive, they quite a very good quality ones. We buy them from laptopparts.com.au or laptopLCDscreen.com.au. It's laptopLCDscreen.com.au. We operate these two websites as well. Put the bezel back in place. Make sure you work on the bottom part first to get it around the hinge covers, and then you do the top and the sides. Make sure the bezel is clipped very well all around. Job is done, all good. If you have any inquiries or would like us to take on any repairs for you, please call us on 02 8081 2555. Thank you very much.